Jack the car up. Remove center caps. Undo wheel nuts. Check the fitment. This lug holds the caliper on. Bolt the lug to the caliper. Take this clip and slide it in between the cover and the caliper. Put the screw in and tighten it. Repeat for the bottom. Ensure that it is not interfering with the operation of the brake. Now put the wheel on, tighten with a torque wrench. Now onto the rears. The rears use a different lug system that swings over the caliper. You can see it swings over the caliper. Now tighten them. Don't forget to torque your wheels to manufacturer specification.